How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment today, apartment building I should say, and each floor has their own little laundry room, one machine, washer, dryer. So they said that the washing machine line is backing up, so I disconnected the hose from the washing machine and I'm putting it in the discharge line. So I got the water open full. I don't really see anything backing up, but I am going to snake it out anyway. Oh, that's actually... It does got a hesitation to it, so we're going to snake it out and then we'll try it again. With these drains, it's most likely got a trap on the inside the wall, so we're going to have to use the K39 1/4-inch cable without the inner core so that it's more bendable. It's not the right word I'm looking for, but more flexible to go through that trap. And I just gotta grab my gloves. Like I said, K39, 1/4-inch cable. Alright, let's try this again. So that sounded good. And if it was still plugged, the sound would go silent because the water would be backing up. I think we're good. This back up. Alright. So there you go, guys. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Trogna.